We need glue gun, stick glue, and of course the popsicle sticks. Okay, so I will be making a square shape pen holder this time. So in my previous video I've made a pen holder, the circle shape, but this time I wanted to try to make a square shape. So let me show it to you how to do it. Okay, using recycled popsicle sticks. So first we need glue gun. Yeah, glue gun. Yes, let's start. Okay, so we need these two popsicle sticks. Okay, in order for me to make a square shape, I need a small one, so I cut it into this size. Cut it. Okay, so let's start. Let's make the color red. Make the color red. We're done with the color red. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 8. So we are locking 1 here. 2, 4, 6, 7 only. So we still need to put 1. So we're done with the red and green. So we will make another color, the orange color. Okay, so we need 4 blocks like this. So I already made 2, so we still need to make 2 more. Okay, so using this sticks as my base, so let's get started. We're done with the color orange. Let's take off this color glue. Okay, so we're done with the color. So let's These are my colors available left. So 2, 4, 5s. Okay, so combine the other 3 colors. Okay, then let's take out this colored glue. So now we have 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We have 4 blocks. So what we will do now is that we are going to put them together. We will put glue gun here. The 2 blocks together. Okay, never mind the scattered stick glue, so we can still take that one out later when we're done. Then we will attach the other block, so here to form square shape. Okay. I still have to make a base, so we will make a base with this using this one, the bigger popsicle sticks. So let's cut it into this size. We will make this as our base. Okay, I cut this one into this shape, then we will glue it together.